Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Starline Solaris S series on a brand new full transit custom 2024. Bit vulnerable, it's got proximity key and it's got a push button start. So we fitted this system. It's got shock sensors at the back and the side, tilt motion, immobiliser mode, and it fires the horn. So how the system works: when you leave the vehicle, zap it, one blink, one flash, blue light comes on, system takes a minute to set. When you come back to the vehicle, just disarm it, jump in the vehicle, try and start it. You'll see the vehicle won't start. So if I try and put my foot on the brake and start it, watch carefully, foot's on the brake, try and start it, it just won't start, okay? So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, just main ignition on, insert their push sequence, which we're going to change, 1, 2, 3, 4, wait for our double flash. There you go, foot on the brake and then just start it. There you go, simple, straightforward to use, okay? What I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to arm it, and then you're going to hear it go mad. So let's just arm it now. We're going to wait a minute for it to set, and you're going to watch it go mad, okay? Just bear me a second, wait for it to set. Takes about a minute to set. Let's see if it's set now. Let's just apply force to it. That's a pre-warn. Let's just force the door open. There you go. Alert, if you want to get one of these fitted, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. Number to me is 02890600478. 02890600478. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to arm the system, wait for it to set, and then you're going to see, obviously, if someone applies a force to the side or the back. So we're just waiting for it to set. It takes about a minute to set. Once it's set, I'm going to apply a force to it. Watch carefully. I don't know if it's set yet, so let's just apply a force on it. There you go. It's going mad. Let's just disarm it now. There you go.